Hey guys, welcome back. Today we'll be drawing a whale.
Yes, and not any whale, a very cute whale. A whale that looks like these. There you go. Super simple to draw. Let's get started. Rightio, so we've got our paper, we've got something to draw with. We like to use markers. You can use that as well, or something else like colouring pencil, crayon, felt tip pen, charcoal, chalk. There's a lot of things. Alright, so let's start with a whale. I think we'll start off with our body. So we're going to start on this side here, roughly. And we're going to draw, it's kind of sort of a squarish, roundish sort of shape. Like that. They're quite big bodied whales, but you can make them all funny shapes, so you can experiment with that. Alright, so we're going to draw some eyes on this side here. So one eye is going to be kind of sticking out the side a little bit. So let's draw a eye out here. And then we'll move along just about here. Draw another eye. And you can experiment with putting them further apart or closer together here as well, or make them larger, or you can make them smaller. Really up to you. Alright, now I'm going to draw the bottom of the body along here, but before we do that, I just want to draw one of his fins. So I'm going to draw a fin here. Again, you can play around with the shape. This is kind of like a bit of a squarish U sort of shape. Or you can make it round open like that. Really up to you. Alright, so let's draw a line starting from here. We'll go underneath the fin around here and then just join up to the eye there as well. So that's the underside of our whale character. Like that. Wonderful. Okay. Now let's draw some fins, because whales have got these amazing large fins that they can use to move around in the water and splash. Cool, there we go. And again, you know, if you wanted to, you can make it pointier, or you can make it rounded like that. Really up to you. Okay, what's next? Let's draw. Oh, let's finish the eyes actually. There we go. Wonderful. And I'm going to draw a little mouth in here. Just a tiny one like that. Again, you can do a mouth open like that, or just a smiley face, or you can do a really wide smiley face there as well. Now what we're going to draw along the bottom here is it's kind of its belly. You know, normally you see a whale, it's got kind of different colours underside, so we're going to draw a bit of a line here, just so it goes just below the start of the fin and carry through like that. It will just colour that in a little different colour. Now whales, because they are mammals, so they breathe air, they don't breathe in water. They normally, most of them have a little what they call a blowhole at the top, and that's where they, you know, when they surface above the water, that opens up and they breathe. So it's kind of helps them get air and oxygen to their lungs. So let's draw a little hole up the top there like that. So that's this blowhole. And sometimes if you're lucky, if you've seen the whale, when they come out to the surface of the water, they can also spray water out of that as well. So we're going to draw a couple of drops of water, like it's spraying out, like that. Very cool. Alrighty, and that is our whale character. Very simple, very basic. The next step is to colour in.
We're back.
Alright, yes, we are back. We finished colouring in, and well, yeah, whales I think most people colour them in like blue or grey or black. That's normally what the colours are. But if you really wanted to you can make it a green or a red whale.
Or pink.
Or pink, it's really up to you. So basically what I've done is I've just added some details, just some shading and just some little details, some little spots and highlights and things like that. So you can add that to your character. You've done something similar as well. I like that you've added extra highlights in the eyes. It makes it look super cute there, and you put some reflections of the whale and the water as well. So that's very cool. Alright, so thanks for watching. Hope you followed along and enjoyed drawing your cute little whale character. I know we had a lot of fun doing them, so I hope you had fun as well. So thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!